to add to operand. Like answer A plus B is there, then answer will be 1 0. Then subtraction operation. Like subtract operand 2 from operand 1. 2 from 1. In this case, answer will be 90. 100 minus 1. Then multiply 2 operand. In this case, 100 into 10, that is equal to 1000. Then divide operation, division operation, that is divide operand 1 by operand 2, that is by B. In this case, 100 by 10, so 10.0. In Python, the normal division always return a float value. Okay. This is modulo operator that gives the remainder after the actual division of operation. Like this is the case, answer will be 0 because 10 will be perfectly divided by 100, so remainder will be 0. Then to multiplication sign, that is use the power or exponent operator like A power of B, that is this much value because 100 times 10. Then use the floor division operator like A floor division B, answer will be 10. So if we accept integer result from the division operation, we should use this floor division operator. Earlier in division operation, it is a float value. In this operation, it is an integer value. These are the examples that we already discussed in latest for arithmetic operation. So let's do once again with the help of repeated output. So this is the command line, declaration of variable 1 and declaration of variable 2. It has a hashtag. So first we declare. Now run this. Okay, now declaration is complete. Now these are the different operations. One is addition. So now numerator 1 plus numerator 1 0 because 100 plus 10. So 1 minus 2. So 19. Okay. Then third one, multiplication operation. Hundred into 10 is 1000. Division operation. Okay. 10.0 is here. Float is there. Float. Then modulo operation. And this is 0 because 100 is exactly divided by 10. Power of operation. This much 100 power of 10. Then last one. In this case, the value is integer. So this is from the arithmetic operator. Hope you have clear. If you have any kind of doubt or difficulty, you can write in comment below. Now next is assignment operator. Equality sign is used as an assignment operator in Python. The value of right side operand will be assigned to the left side operand. So left and right side operation are equal. It's not, that can be done with the assignment operation. So this is the operation sign plus equal meaning L is equal to L plus left equal to left plus right. This is left and right operand and assign result in left. So this is the example. Example A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. A plus equal to B is same as A equal to A plus B. That means after execution, A will be whole 50. In this case, A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Then minus equal to. So meaning L is equal to L minus R. Subtract right operand from left operand and assign result in left. A minus B, that is equal to after execution we hold 5. This is multiplication equal to. So left equal to left into right. So multiply both right and left operand and still result in left. So this is the example that A multiplication equal to B is the same as A equal to A multiplied by B. And after execution, A will hold 50 because A is the lowest part. Then Division equal, that is left equal to left, left to right. So divide left operand by right operand and store result in left. This is the example. Left equal to b, same as a equal to a divided by b. After execution, a will be whole 2. This is modulo operation, modulo equal to that a equal to l modulo r. After left and right of division, the remainder will be stored in left. So a operand equal to b, same as a equal to a operand b. After execution, a will be whole 0. There is the power of operation, that n equal to l power of r. L will hold the value of l or l of r, that is power of l comma r. So this is the meaning a power of b, that is same as a equal to a power of b. After execution, a will hold this much value, this is 10 raised to 5. So 4 division equal to l left equal to left 4 division r. L will be have the 4 division value of l. So this is the example a. 4 division, the same is a equal to here 4 division there. 4 division a will hold only 2. Okay, so this is the example. That means this is the comment section with the hashtag line. Okay, let's do this example first. We 10 and b is equal to 5. Okay, now done. Now let's do one by one. First a plus b. So a plus b, that is same as a equal to a plus b, and will hold the result. Let's see. Okay, so value of a plus b, that is equal to 10 plus 5, that is 6. Then second one, a equal to minus a equal to a minus b. Now let's check the value. So a minus b, that is equal to 10. Why 10? Because now a is 50. Okay, that's why here 50 minus 5. That's why the value is 10. If you again and again store the value a equal to 10, b equal to 5, then you have to run once again. Then you can check the result. So first it like this, and if we run once again, the result is 5. Okay, hope you understand. So now third example, a and b done. Now already done this. And a multiply equal to b, that is a equal to a multiply by b. We run this value, so 10 into 5. Okay, so once again we run this value. So now you can check here, line also change. And next, division by b is 0.0 yes, value of by 2.0 float value. We already studied when normal division, it is a float value. Okay, so now once again we will run this. So now you can see this line is 8. Then modulo operation. So 0, because 10 is perfectly divided by 5. Once again we do this. Now it is 20. Yes, diagonal 20. From 9 to 20. Modulo then this. Okay, so 10 raised to 5. This value is 0. Once again we run this value. Now it is 21 line. So the 22. So the 22 is a huge value. So it is 22. Then last. It is there. Okay, because it returns integer value. So that is from is summing operator. Now next one is a relation and comparison operation or operation. Relation or comparison operator are used to compare two variables. It will return true if the comparison or relation is true. Otherwise, it will return false. So this is the operator description example, like equal to equal. Check both left and right operand are same. If it is same, then return true, otherwise it's false. This is the example like 10 equal to 10. It will return true, and 10 equals 7. It will return false. Then exponent sign equal to, check both the left and right operands are not same. Then 10 is not equal to 20. It will return 2 because that is correct. But 10 does not equal to 10, that is false. So it returns false. This less than, check whether the left operand is smaller than the right operand. So let's check 5 less than 10. Yes, it is true. So it returns true. And 10 less than 10 is false. So it is false. Then less than or equal to, check whether the left operand is smaller than or equal to the right operand. In this case, 10 less than equal to 10, it will return true, and 20 less than equal to 10, it will return false. Thing greater than. So check whether the left operand is greater than the right operand. So 50 greater than 10, that is correct. So it will return true. And 5 greater than 10, this is false. So it will return false. Then greater than equal to, check whether the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. So in this case, 10 equal to 10 greater than equal to 10, it will return true, and 5 greater than equal to 10, it will return false. Now let's check with this particular. So A equal to 5, B equal to 10, and then check every operator first, whether it is true or false. 5 does not equal to 10, so it becomes false. Okay, then yes, 5 does not equal to 10, so it is return true. Then 5 less than 10, yes, it is less than, so it is return true. Then we check less than equal to, so 5 is, yes, 5 is less than 10, so it returns true. Then greater than, so 5 is greater than 10, no, 5 is not greater than 10, so it returns. Okay, and last, or equal to, 5 is not greater than or equal to 10, that's why it's returned false. Okay, so that is from the relation and comparison operator. Hope you are clear. Now next is logical operator in Python. Logical operator are used to perform logical operation of given expression, relation, expression, or variable. There are three logical operations written in Python: logical OR, logical AND, and logical NOT operation. So first we discuss logical OR operation. Logical operations, if one of the operand or expression is true, it will return false. It is similar kind of OR gate, NOT gate, and AND gate. So either of one condition is true, it will return true. So this is the example: 0 0, yes 0, then 0 1, yeah 1, 1 0 1, and 1 1. So this is the example for all the cases like 5 greater than 10 or 5 less than 4. Would the expression false? 5 is not greater than 10 and 5 is less than 4. That's why in this case it will return as a false also. When 10 greater than 20, it is not true, but 10 less than 20. So first expression is false, the second is true. So that's why its logical output will be 1. Then third one, 10 less than 20, that is correct, but 10 does not greater than 100. So first expression is true and second one is false. So logical or output will be 1. And last one, 10 less than 20 or 10 less than 100. Both expression are true, so logical or output will be 1. So that is from this or AND of operator example. Then logical AND operation. AND operation, both the condition are satisfied, both the condition are true, then only then answer is 1. So 0 0 0, 0 1 at the case 0, then 1 0 also 0, but 1 1 and at that time output will be 1. So 5 greater than 10, 5 less than, both the expression are false, so logical and operation will be 0. 10 greater than 20 false, 10 less than 20 true, but as 0, true and false, then the output is 0. So first expression is false, second is true, so logical and output will be 0. And third, 10 greater than less than 20 or 10 greater than 100. First expression is true, but second one is false, so logical and output will be 0. And final one, 1 1. Output 1. So 10 less than 20 and 10 less than 100. Both expressions are true. So logical and output will be 1. So and this is the last one, the logical NOT operator. Logical NOT operator is used to inverse the current decision. Say if current state is true, logical NOT operator can make it false. Like it is true, then when we apply NOT operation, it becomes false. So like if it is 0, then it's 1. If it is true, then it's false. If it is false, make it is true. If not 100 less than 10. So 100 is greater than 10, so it will return false. Not false, then it, okay. Then less than, then 10 less than 100. Yes, it is true, but not true is false. So this is the case. Now we see the example like x equal to 5. And we will check one by one. So first case, and the question x greater than 3. Okay, yes, x greater than 3, 5. X less than 5. Okay, both condition is true, and it is AND operation. That's the answer is true. Okay, then next, uh, OR operation. We will check OR operation. In this case, also answer is true because both the condition is true, but either one is eligible for. Next, we will last one is not condition. This is true, but when you apply not, then it becomes false. So it is false. Okay, so that is from this operator module. We have used reference with log2base from reference website. You can also check that, please. If you have a doubt or query, then you can ask. Till that, enjoy your day. Thank you.